Question number 4, rectangle. If 60% of a rectangular floor is covered by a rectangular rug that is 9 feet by 12 feet, what is the area in square feet of the floor? So 60% of the floor is covered. 60% of the floor, that is 9 by 12, the rug. 60% of the floor is rug, that is 9 by 12. So the 60% area of floor is equal to this. So what is the total area of floor? This 60 over 100 will be here 100 over 60. 12 5s are 5 20s are 9 2s are 18, that is 180. 180 feet square. That is the area of the whole floor. Okay, so the answer to question number 4 is 180, that is C. Question number 5 is, if the perimeter of a rectangular garden plot is 34 feet and the area and its area is 60 feet, what is the length of each of the longer side? So longer side, we need to find out the larger value actually. So looking at it, perimeter 2 times x plus y and area x times y, so 2 times 17, so x plus y is 17, x times y is 60. Normally speaking, we would solve these two simultaneously, but this is a test, MCQ's test. This is not normal condition, so you need to be quick. So there is always some way out. I will always tell you this. So you need to find out what? You need to find out two numbers. The sum of those numbers is 70 and product is 60. Give me two numbers. We add them, we get 17, and we multiply them, we get 60. 12 and 5. 12 and 5 add up to 17, and 12 and 5 multiply to 60. These are the two values. Yeah, you are always welcome to take the value of x from here, put it here, and find y again back, y here, and simultaneous equation, substitution method. Fine, no problem, I won't mind. But this is easier. Coming up with the numbers. Alright? So the larger value is 12. So your answer is 12. This is smaller side, this is larger side. Okay? So this is question number 5, and the answer to question number 5 is 12. Sorry, the answer is missing here, some typing mistake. So this is 12 and question number 6. This is again a tricky question. The diagonal of a rectangle is 10. What is the area of rectangle? So this is a rectangle. Diagonal is 10. So we need to find out these two sides to get the area. Now, sometimes we think that it's not possible. Of course, it's not. D square is equal to x square plus y square. So 10 square is equal to, like, how can we find out what are x square and y square? Two values from one equation. But we can do that by trial and error. There are just two values whose sum of whose square is 100. Just two values. So you pause this video right away and think those numbers, because I'm going to tell it now. Two values, squaring them and adding them will give you 100. So those are 6 and 8, because 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. These are the only values. Yeah, this is a bit of injustice, but sometimes it happens. So this is 6 and this is 8, or this is 6 and this is 8. So the area is 6 times 8, that is 48. Okay. Question number 7. A rectangular door measures 5 feet by 6 feet 8 inches. What is the distance from the one corner of the door to the diagonally opposite corner? So the dimensions are 5 feet by 6 feet 8 inches. 5 feet by 6 feet 8 inches. And we need to find out this diagonal distance. This is feet and this is feet and inches. It's not possible to solve them when they are in different units. So you better bring them in same unit. Inches is best. So how many inches are there in 1 foot? 12 inches. So 5 feet means 60 inches. And 6 feet means 72 inches plus 8 means 80 inches. That's it. Width is 60 inches and height is 80 inches. So it's good to find out the diagonal distance, that is d square is equal to 60 square plus 80 square. So d is equal to square root of 3600 plus 6400 and that is 10,000. So what is the square root of 10,000? That is 100. So this is 100 inches. Now, how many feet are there in 100 inches? You divide it by 12 again. 12 8s are 96. So 8 feet and you are left with 4 inches because 96 inches are equal to 8 feet. So you are left with 4 inches. So the answer to this is 8 feet 4 inches. 8 feet 4 inches is the length of this diagonal distance. Okay, so the question number 7 answer is 8 feet 4 inches. Okay, question number 8 is easy question. Area of rectangle when length is 10 and width is 5, so it's 50. Okay, let's move to question number next question.